Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
I'm a flower native to the temperate zone. In the northern subtropics too I am grown. In the late spring or summer I bloom. I'm loved in wedding bouquets by every bride and groom. I grow in the wild, in forests and mountains, in pots on windowsills and gardens by fountains. Many other plants may share my name, but they are different from me and not the same. I developed from seeds or bulbs called corms. My 6 tepals give me a funnel-shaped form. I'm beautified by pretty spots and strokes of a brush to feast on my sweet nectar. Insects rush. I'm a symbol of good luck in Chinese culture. My beauty and purity are praised in literature. Egyptians made perfumes with me in olden days. For its healing properties, my oil is used in many ways. Some of my species are fragrant, some not quite. I survive 2 or more years if the conditions are right. Keep cats away from me as I cause them harm. Identify me, I'm so full of charm. You're a lily. We welcome you with open arms.
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.